Swayam. I head the business at DFM. Today, with technology coming part of our life, I think you integrating into the business, I think that's the fun. The fun is that if the last guy on the road, you can help him even get 10 rupees more of revenue. Because you all understand the revenue is not got by people at the boardroom, it is got by the people on the ground. I think you guys are trying to make his life simple. I think that's the joy, and I would say it's a long journey for you guys. But the start I saw today, I am confident you are on the right track. So though technology cannot replace, if you ask me, it can only make me more and more efficient, make my life simple and make me earn more money. I think that's where we all are. The consumer is always in the center. So organizations should always adapt to the consumer. So I think the epicenter of the whole business is always a consumer. So let's not try to change the consumer behavior or his way of buying or his thought process. Rather, we should as an organization always appreciate where the consumer, what is the consumer thinking about, and if we align ourselves to deliver the best value for a consumer, that is we all make money. So consumer is always centric. Organization is all around the consumer. Thank you.